Look at this channel. 9.6 million views here, 6.1 million there, and another 4.3 million. You can create these exact videos using AI completely for free. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate step-by-step shortcut to replicate this viral success. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, you need the master document. I've left the link for you in the video description. Open it and copy everything inside. Head over to ChatGPT, paste the entire file, and hit generate. The AI will instantly process the master prompt and give us 10 unique, highly detailed concepts. For this tutorial, we are going to choose example number 3, a miniature dragon on a castle tower. By selecting this, ChatGPT provides us with the exact prompts we need for a seamless, multi-part animation. We now have our image prompts and our video prompts ready to go. Now, open Google Flow and click on New Project. We need to set up our workspace. Change the settings to image mode, lock in the perfect shorts format at a 9:16 vertical ratio, and set the batch size to ×3, so the AI gives us 3 different options to choose from. Go back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 1, paste it into Flow, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get 3 variations. Delete the 2 you don't like, and keep only the absolute best one. Now, let's create the second frame. Copy image prompt 2. Here is the secret for perfect frame-by-frame consistency. Drag and drop your winning image 1 into Flow to use it as a reference. Paste your second prompt and generate. Again, keep the best one and delete the rest. We will do the exact same thing for the third image. Copy the third prompt, but this time, drag image 2 as your reference. Generate and keep the best result. Perfect. We now have a flawless sequence of 3 visual anchors, image 1, image 2, and image 3. It's time to bring these images to life. Change your flow settings to video mode, select frames, keep the 9:16 ratio, and set the batch to X1. Let's build our first video clip. Drag image 1 into the start frame box, and image 2 into the end frame box. Go to ChatGPT, copy video prompt 1, paste it in, and hit generate. Now for the second video clip. Drag image 2 into the start frame box, and image 3 into the end frame box. Copy video prompt 2, paste it, and hit generate. Just like that, you have 2 incredibly realistic, connected video animations. We are almost done. We just need to stitch these clips together into one seamless masterpiece. Open your favorite video editor, whether that's CapCut, Filmora, or Premiere. Drag both generated videos onto your timeline in the correct order. Trim away any static or useless parts at the beginning or end of the clips. Add some high-quality cinematic effects. Drop in a smooth transition between the 2 clips to hide the cut, and your viral video is officially ready to export and post.
Igniting effect now. Stand by for the full blast. Maintaining control of the rig. Looking good.